going to show you guys how you can jailbreak anywhere between iOS 6.1, 1.3, iOS 6.1.6, and which I will be doing on this iPod Touch 4th generation. My button doesn't really work on this, but I'll be doing it on this iPod just to let you know. So now I actually got this comment from a YouTuber named Jordan Reels. I've done shoutouts on him before, but it says right here, if I zoom in, can you make a tutorial on how to jailbreak iOS 6? And now I am. And the reason why I'm doing one on macOS is because if you look right here at one of my polls on Twitter, it says right here that, sorry, my father was getting up, but it says that you guys want the modern macOS version, and I have a link. And this is right here, actually, the original version from a YouTuber named The Original Collector. I'll have his video linked below in the description. If you haven't checked out his channel already, I would highly recommend doing so, for he is a great YouTuber. And I also have a download link to this tool in the description. So without further ado, let's get started. So once you download it, you will get... This works, by the way, I've had this I know this works on macOS Mojave and Catalina and Big Sur, but I'm not sure about High Sierra, but I know it doesn't work on Sierra. So you'll get your download link, and then right here you'll get all sorts of things, but really the only thing we need is actually poisexpound/tool. And then there, you can just close out Finder now, but you'll have a terminal window open, as well as and it'll say right here jailbreak anywhere between iOS 6.1.3 to 6.1.5. That's actually a typo. It works with 6.1.6 too. So now what you need to do is just click the jailbreak button. And I don't know if it'll ask you to do DFU or not. So we'll just do a bunch of stuff. And as you can tell on the iPod screen, in case you're curious what it's doing, it's showing this is supposedly just syncing. And now it says, if you look, restore in progress, so it's just syncing. And now it's just going to do a bunch of stuff, and you really shouldn't have to worry too much. For just do everything that says on screen, which is really just this. Make sure to not close out any of the tools until your device is fully jailbroken. Please note this will take a while, and I'll have links to all this stuff in the description below. So without further ado, thanks for watching, and as always, peace out. Info to please make sure you back up your device, and it's best recommended to do a fresh restore, and please note you will. Their device may be vulnerable to not as much security, and I would not recommend doing this on your main device. And yes, I've been not doing this, and now the jailbreak is finishing, but yeah, this is just some extra info. And I also have some helpful repos linked in the description below. Without further ado, peace out.